Polly Parrot.
Yeah. We are at Valerie's house. I can't wait to see her after I knock the door for her. Alright. Here it goes now. Hi Valerie.
Hi Amelia. Hey. Do you want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay then.
Amelia. This is my pet parrot. She's called Polly. Pretty Polly.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm a clever parrot.
Mom. Why did Polly copied everything that Valerie says?
That's what parrots do, Amelia. I'll show you. Hello, Polly.
Hello, Polly.
What a sweet little parrot.
What a sweet little parrot.
Come on everyone. Tea time. And there's chocolate cake there as well. So. Let's go now.
Okay then.
Say something, Amelia.
Okay Harley. Hello? I'm Peppa Pig. Harley. Say something.
Okay, Amelia.
I'm Polly Parrot. What else can I say to Polly Parrot? Ooh. I know. I'm a noisy parrot. Snort.
I'm a noisy parrot.
Children. Have you been playing with Polly?
Yes, Amelia's mom and dad.
Polly is such a sweet parrot.
Yes, Amelia's mom and dad. But now it's time for me to say something to Polly now. So. Here it goes now. I'm a clever parrot.
I'm a noisy parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. Oh my word.
Well. That was funny. But this is the best day ever in our life with my new pet Polly Parrot.